project's pretty much simple. It got neutral tile colors, everything matching the same grout on the floor, and shower walls. It has glass mosaic on each corner and entryways. The shower pan, the shower floor comes in a sheet, 12 by 12. I sent it around the drain, and that gave me my pattern here. And if you look at it this way, it's an almost has a design form, and it spreads out all the way around.
How did you go about laying this all out?
I started with the center of the door, and since it was a double square staggered, and then had one sequence of pattern, like a detailed tile here, here, and here. So I laid it out and square my room, square over the door, and used two walls to make sure that the tile was going to be a square. The shower system, the Schluter Purity, is one of the best top of the line waterproofing for showers nowadays. I went to the class to install that, but at the end it performs very well. So this mosaic tile, glass tile, is supposed to come in right here on both corners, all the way to the ceiling on three corners, and then one here at the beginning of the shower, all the way up, which is going to make it look real nice. This right here, the seal is a rubber seal that is flexible, so your trim piece for your valve system, whatever you get, it will fit right on top of it, and this will seal it completely, waterproofing from any water going inside at all.